Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Jam Roly-Poly. It's a traditional British pudding, served warm with a side of custard. Let's make the Suet crust pastry first. To make the Suet crust pastry, I need cake flour or self-rising flour, a little salt, baking powder. Sift the flour, salt, and baking powder into the mixing bowl. Then transfer them into the food blender. I also need some vegetable suet or beef suet. Add the suet to the food blender. You will get the fine crumbs. Gradually add the cold water to mix with the crumbs. Slightly knead until the dough is smooth and crack-free. Then cover the dough with cling film. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes at room temperature. While waiting, I will get the supplies to assemble the pudding. Butter the aluminum foil. I need the zest from a lemon, some jam or treacle. When the dough is ready, roll out on a flour table to get 1.3 cm thickness. Trim off the extra to get 20 x 25 cm rectangle. Then place the dough to the center of the buttered aluminum foil. Spread jam over the dough. Make one shorter side with more jam than the others. Keep the area near the edges free of jam. Sprinkle the lemon zest. Moist the edges with cold water. Roll up loosely from the shorter side with extra jam. Press the two ends for a better seal. After steaming, I will cut off the two ends. Wrap the aluminum foil loosely. Twist the ends of the foil to keep them stay closed. Once the water in the steamer is boiling, place the pudding in. Keep steaming for 1.5 hours at high heat. Time is up. Let's check the pudding. The pudding is moist and fruity. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this jam roly-poly cost me $6.15. I'm going to enjoy my jam roly-poly with custard. Thanks for watching my video.